Alright, welcome back. I'm going to start screwing a few bits on now. I just picked up a new air filter. The other one's rotten. It's a bit beefier. Jesus. Yeah, it's gone on alright, that. Got to try and get the needle in it. Got to get that groove down there inside. Oh, go on, mate. Get in there. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Throttle cables back in. Do an S shape into there. It's a bit hard, that. Just bob that back in there. I don't want to be tightening it. Got here now, just kickstart. Going on, look at that. That's jammy, innit? 19. Yeah, it only wants slipping up, doesn't it? Surely. Look at that. I want rid of these. I've got some, I just don't know how they're going to fit. That's seen better days on it. Ta-da. Oh, they look a bit better, don't they? Oh. Stiff as a board, that one. It's upside down, is it the wrong one? Fitted on. Very strange. That's all upside down. Threads full of paint. Super long bolt though, isn't it? Oh. It goes in that way. Oh, it's the wrong foot peg, that's why it's upside down. Oh, god damn it. How's that work? It's for that side, it must be fit to the side. It's, oh well, we've got a spare peg for that side, but none for this. That's a bit oddball, isn't it? Thinking of my head before as well, what if I had to take this back off for some reason? Well, I probably will. These are actually wrong. It's a fixed pin, meant to be a fixed pin. I've had to buy 2 new ones of them, one for either side. So that's probably going to have to try and come off there. You could leave the bolt on it, but if it's going to be odd with the other side, you may as well have the normal pair how they're meant to be. Got battery to fit. But you're thinking, just start it. What are you doing with batteries? Don't need lights on to start it. I took it out and give it a bit of a spray. Just gonna see if I can sort this battery. gel. Just bend that down, can't we? Little farting screws these. Yeah, look at the quality difference in 20 years. Actually get lead terminals on your old batteries. On here, just get some nasty metal, Chinesium. Oh. It's been a while since that's lit up. A little bit of chafe in it. Probably just do a piece of bit of foam down the side of it or something. That's our battery on. This petrol pipe's rock hard. You can't even bend it. Wow, that's how hard it is. Literally snapped to my fingers. I've never had a rubber pipe do that before. Wow. Yeah, I've got some more coming. This here, that's more supple. So I can use that piece for now, but I've got some proper Yamaha stuff coming. Really? Yes. Managed to get that on just. It's not even on proper, is it? It should be on enough that. Pretty crude. Three PSI in it. Not sure what it's meant to be. That's 30. I don't know what I'm meant to have in him. Battery's struggling then a bit. Right, let's get its tank on. I'm going to have to trim that down. But I need to put that inline filter in it as well. Yeah, it looks a bit too narrow that. That's my little filter. I can just in there like that, I think. Struggle getting that on now, right? Give it a go. Yes. They're meant to have like spring clips on them as well. Yeah, should have maybe just left it the same length. That's it, put a bit of petrol in it. We need the cap. Let's go and get a petty cap. Long cap. I think we're ready to kick it over. Connect the battery. memory went full. It did kick over a little bit and went and then stopped, but it's not on film. It won't kick over now. Oh, wounded. Must be shit in the carb or something, I don't know. Looks alright to me. Try and check for a spark. Got spark. Good spark. The leading needle jack was blocked, so we're pissing in the wind there. It's not blocked no more. Remember when I was at work cleaning the carb and I said, yeah, that's probably alright. Assumption. The mother of all fuck-ups. It should be alright now. Famous last word. But that was definitely blocked. And we're definitely having issues with fuel. I just took a picture of the engine number there and see if it matches. Yes. Oh. Right, let's connect fuel again. Oh. Warm in here. What it's got to do. Right, so buzzing, we're running. Here's a little spoiler for a few more bits to go on the bike. You might see that next episode. Thanks for watching, guys and girls.